How to lock profile on Facebook and iPhone. First is by opening your Facebook app and then go to your menu found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're right here, scroll down to the bottom and go to Settings and Privacy. So before we proceed, I would like you to know that this will only work to specific countries such as um, the Vietnam, I think. So other countries don't have this option. So in the Philippines, where I am right now, we don't have this option. But you should try this first. So go to settings and then go to this search icon found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on lock or I mean search for lock profile. So if you have that option, you may just simply click on that option. So again, in the Philippines, I still don't have that one. So if you have that one, click on that option and then simply follow the step needed and try it out. So that's it. That's how you can lock profile on Facebook and iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.